Welcome, I am Zero the Painter. Today I am doing things Wolverine style. I'm going to draw Wolverine using color pencils. Come along and watch as the portrait takes shape step by step. Step 1. Start with the mask. Begin with the top part of his mask. This will give us a foundation to build from. Step 2. Build the sides of the mask. Work on the left side and gradually move to the right, shaping the mask's structure. Step 3. Define the lower face and chin. Sketch in Wolverine's iconic sideburns and lightly outline his teeth. Shade the lips and teeth to add depth and realism. Step 4. Shade and darken. Start shading and darkening the details to bring out the features of his face. Step 5. Sketch the shoulders and blades. Lightly sketch in his shoulders and blades, adding structure to the portrait. Step 6. Layer the colors. I like to work in layers, gradually building up the colors. Layer the blue and yellow tones to create depth and vibrancy. Step 7. Final touches. Shade and darken the shadows to add contrast and refine the details. That's it. Wolverine is complete. By working in layers and adding details step by step, we've created a dynamic and vibrant portrait of everyone's favorite X-Men hero. I wanted this video to be more than just a drawing, so I had pencils implanted. So now I can pop them out just like Wolverine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Thanks for watching. To see more art videos, click on the playlist. Hey, so like they can take these pencils back out, right?